Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download torrent files on Android. So first things you have to do is actually open up your Play Store app or Apple Store and you search for torrent app and you're going to see this. Click on it and click on the install button. So once you install, you open it up and make sure you allow. Sorry, I'm supposed to allow, and you have to allow. Once you start allowing and you're done, you go back. You can see how they look at. You go to your browser, any browser of your choice, and you search for best torrenting sites, and you're going to see a lot of lists. All you need to do is click on it and you're going to be told on how to use it. And once you click on that, you're going to see the button for download, so you can just download it and you're going to see it on your torrent app.